Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So you already know we're about to talk about some spoilers for the November Slay Glam Box. I know you guys have been waiting. A few of you have been asking about it, and I finally got the spoilers. Sorry it took so long. I just got them from Rasha yesterday, and she just had a delay on getting some of her products in, so she doesn't like to give me the spoilers until she has the products in hand, which I totally understand. I don't want her giving me spoilers and then I'm on here telling you guys what you're going to be getting in your box, and then you don't get that because something happened, it didn't come through. So I totally understand where she's coming from, and I do not blame her. Like I don't want to get on here and do that either. Like I'm not trying to get on here and tell you guys like, hey, you're getting this in your box and then you're not, and then you're going to come at me like, girl, I thought you said, and I'm going to be like, I don't know. So I don't want her giving me spoilers that may not come through. So that's why I'm getting this video out a little bit later than usual. But girl, we got some good stuff. Girl, if you have not signed up for Slay Glam, I'm telling you, you really should. This box is so good. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items in it. It is all makeup. You get all makeup in this box. I love that. These boxes are very coordinated. She tries really hard to coordinate all of her products together, which I appreciate. I love that. I hate when I get like this, pink and purple eyeshadow and then a red lip. I'm like, these are not going to go together. I personally would not wear them. Girl, I like to match everything. So I love that about Slay Glam. And another thing, if you use code Michelle Martin, you're going to get 10% off your first subscription box. I don't make anything from it. This is just a code for you guys to save a little bit of money. And it is not bad to save a little bit of money in these times, girl, let me tell you. So this November box that I'm about to give you the spoilers for, girl, is available until November the 20th. So if you've been on the edge and you've been thinking about it, you definitely should just go ahead and try it, because I'm telling you, once you start getting these boxes, you're gonna be like, I love them. So before we get into the spoilers, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up if you like these spoilers. It really helps my channel a lot. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell, girl, so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. But yeah, girl, get your coffee and let's get into some spoilers. So our first spoiler for the November Slay Glam box is gonna be, the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And of course, it's gonna be a Rasha B Cosmetics palette. Now, this is Rasha B's Beautiful 2 palette. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the Beautiful palette. This is her first Beautiful palette. Now, this is a multi-chrome palette. These in here are so smooth. They're beautiful. Everybody was loving this palette, so that's why she created a Beautiful 2 palette. Now, the Beautiful 2 palette is a duochrome palette. You're going to get 12 pans in there. You're going to get some greens, some purples, blue, red. It looks like a gold. I cannot wait to get this palette. When I tell you the formula of this eyeshadow is amazing, I truly mean that. Butter. Truly, they're like butter. The pigment is amazing. Okay, for our second spoiler, what do we have here? A second star of the show, another palette. Yes, girl, we're getting 2 palettes in this month's box. I love that. I'm an eyeshadow palette collector, so I'm like here for that. So our second palette is going to be from Oaklyn, and this is their Sweet Color palette. It's a 16 pan palette. You're going to get some red, oranges, pinks. It has a couple marble colors in there, a white. So it's a mix of matte and shimmers in this palette, and I'm like, yes, another palette. Oaklyn's a good brand. I love their brand. I have a few of their eyeshadow palettes, and their quality is good too. So I'm excited for that we get 2 palettes. I love that it's got some neutral colors in here. So our third spoiler for the November Slay Glam box is going to be a 4-piece set from Bella Pierre. Yes, ma'am, 4-piece set. And this is their Eye Look Essentials Purple Storm set. So you're going to get an eye primer in this. You are going to get a 4-pan palette. It looks like it has 2 shimmers and 2 mattes, which is so cute. I love that. I love a little quad that you can just grab, throw together. You don't have to think about the look. You just use these colors. you're going to get a gel eyeliner. Hello, love that. I hope it's black though, girl. And then we're going to get a liquid eyeshadow. So that is so awesome. I love that. Bella Pierre, their quality is really amazing as well. Like, I've never had an issue with any of their products. So, love me some Bella Pierre too. Sorry I got to slide in the picture a little sideways on you, but that's the only way I could get it to fit for YouTube. Girl, that's only 3 spoilers. We still have 2 more to go. Okay, so for our 4th spoiler is going to be a lip pencil, and this is Lip Perfection. And I'm like, yes, girl, I love a good lip pencil. I like getting lip pencils in. And I'm not sure if this is the shade that we're going to be receiving or not, but if it is, it looks like a beautiful fall time color. And then for our 5th and final spoiler for the November Slay Glam box is going to be not 1, but 2, girl. 2 liquid lips. That's right. And these are from Girl Power. Rasha said she's going to give us a bold for the bold chick and a nude for the nude girl. So, I'm a nude girl for real. That's me. I like the nude color. But that bold color, it looks like a really pretty color. I'm like, I hope that looks good on me because it does look like a beautiful color. And it looks like the lip liner matches the bold color. So we'll definitely see. But it might look good too, having that nude color in the center. Anyways, I'm trying to plan out my look in my head already, girl. So that's all the spoilers for Slay Glam. Like, can you believe that's what we're getting? Like, each month gets better and better and better. Girl, you can still get this box until November 20th. And you can also use a code Michelle Martin to save you 10%. I will have everything linked down in the description box for you. So in the month of December, Rasha is going to be collabing with Anne from Just Anne. I'm going to have Anne's channel linked below in my description box. I love her. I've been watching her for a few years now. She's amazing. She does unboxings. She has a vlog channel as well. I just love her. She's an amazing person. And I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy that she gets to collab with Rasha, and they're coming up with a palette, and it's going to be in the December's Slay Glam box, girl. That's right. So I'm going to pop up a picture. Look at all these different colors. So it is a 12-pan palette, and you're getting 2 blues, a red, a purple, 4 greens, a brown, a tan color, gold, maybe a white gold. Girl, did I not say that she coordinates boxes? Like, isn't that the perfect palette for our December box? I think it is. But man, the different looks that you could do, like an icy blue look or something. That'd be cute for December. Yeah, I can't wait. Anyways, getting off track here. But yeah, girl, make sure you go over and check out Anne's channel. Show her some love. Give her a like. Subscribe to her channel. She really is amazing. You're going to love her just as much as I do. Again, so happy for her. I cannot wait to try their eyeshadow palette. I already know it's going to be amazing, so I just can't wait to get it in. But yeah, girl, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!